Living in the Lake Ridge area of Prince William County is such a treat. The Community Farmers Market is a weekly event everyone enjoys. There's nothing quite like spending a beautiful day in a historic Occoquan with friends. Well, now you have a chance to experience this lifestyle firsthand. My name is Martina Moutawakkil, and welcome home. Imagine and enjoy the open concept and a great flow. What I personally love is how much the sun fills the home and how the kitchen inspires creativity. And it's tucked away from everything. Your own private retreat. This area has so many unique treasures to experience. Plus, you would be shocked at all the nature and recreation here in Woodbridge. So come and visit Lake Ridge and step inside your new incredible home.